Alright, so this video we're going to look at the horizontal line test. It says a function f is 1 to 1 if there is no horizontal line that intersects the graph of the function f at more than one point. Alright, so basically what we're doing is we're determining if the function has an inverse. Okay? In order for it to have an inverse, it has to be 1 to 1. Okay, and if we have a graph, we can determine that by using the horizontal line test. Okay, so it's similar to the vertical line test, but it's the horizontal line test. We're checking to see if it's 1 to 1, if it has an inverse. Okay, so if we draw a horizontal line through the graph and it intersects that graph in more than one spot, in more than one point, it is not 1 to 1. So let's look at this one. So is this 1 to 1? Well, you can see if we draw a horizontal line through the graph, you see how it intersects in more than one point. So that means not 1 to 1. Okay. And what about this one? Well, if you look, no matter where we draw the horizontal line, it's only going to intersect this graph in one point. So this one would be 1 to 1. So it would have an inverse. What about this one? Well, you can see here if we draw a horizontal line, it's going to intersect the graph here and here. So it intersects the graph in more than one point, so that means it is not 1 to 1. And then the last one, well, no matter where we draw a horizontal line, it only intersects this graph in one point. So that means this one is 1 to 1. So, you know, the way you can look at this is, if you have a function there and they ask you to take the inverse, okay? They don't give you the graph of it, but they just give you the function. Well, if you have an idea what the graph looks like, because a lot of them you should have an idea what they look like, okay, the basic shape of them. You can kind of tell if you can just picture the graph in your head, you can tell if it's 1 to 1, if it's going to pass the horizontal line test or not. So I hope this video helped. Give me a like, share, subscribe, and check out my other videos. And thanks for watching.